just want to collect some more powers, man. First things first, I'm going to go on and do some upgrades. Because what I really need is to be able to drain smoke faster. And double air dash sounds great. Sulfur headshots sounds awesome. Okay. Good, okay, I can do that more things. Let's go to... Oh, hey, bud. Nope, just a regular guy running here. No big deal. Nothing special, fellas. Regular guy running on the street, not looking to make any trouble.
Reg, man, you should see this place. It's completely deserted. No ferries going in or out, or...
Same thing at the airport and train station. Now that they got the bridge out, the DUP's got this town sealed tight.
You think the DUP does this to every town they get called to?
Apparently, that's what they say.
Why would people even put up with that?
Because when it comes down to it, most folks aren't willing to trade life for liberty or the pursuit of happiness.
Nah, that can't be it.
Hey, guys. Any chance of me getting near that, thing there? If I did that. I really don't like killing you guys. I just would prefer that... Okay, good. Yep. Surrendering. Smart move. How about you, boss? Pin you down. Keep you alive. There we go. Snag these. Power off. Oh! That is an Altered Beast reference. Awesome.
Good about this one.
Nasty gas grenades. Cool, so I can smoke choke you guys. And I don't have to kill you.
Secondhand smoke is bad for you.
Yes! Non-lethal kills all around. Karma! Skyrocketing! Help. Oh, hey man. You alright? I'm alright. Ted Cruz? God, it is you! Ugh. I can't... Nope, I just let the Zodiac Killer get away. Horrific.
Oh, yeah!
Blue icon over here. Might be interesting. Hey, fellas, what's up? Oh.
What the? Turn around, punk!
How about you? Turn around. Choking? Under the pressure? Wow, there's sure a lot of you guys dealing drugs on the corner. You guys usually do that in parties of 20? Is that how your gang works? Good lord. Don't sell drugs in my town. Seattle's streets are clean. You DUP guys really gotta chill. Gotcha. Whew. Oh, it went right in my mouth. Monorail. Monorail, monorail, monorail. Alright. Here goes another one.
Yeah, you know what they say about... They got checkpoints and cameras on just about every corner.
That's the benefit of having home field advantage.
Except this isn't their home field.
Try telling them that.
Ow. There we go. Ah! think that's gonna help my karma.
Okay, so that way's not an option. It better work. It freaking worked!
Blow up an APC. That's some serious power right there. I'm gonna drain the smoke off it.
Reg, you should see this, man. The DUP's completely trashed this city. All the people are walking hunched over and nervous looking.
Yeah, well, that's how martial law works. Control the city and the people by breaking them both down first.
Yeah, well, occupying armies suck.
You may want to keep that to yourself for now.
Free core. Free mouthwash. Free shower curtain. Cross over there. No, cross over here. Hope they don't notice me. Nobody look up. Nobody look up! No, I actually wanted to go in there. Like in here. Oh, is it up top? Where are they keeping this wacky core machine? Okay. Yeah, let's go up top. Yeah, let's go into a wall. It'll be great. Oh my god, I can't see anything! Hey, wait a minute. This will be faster. There's some mechanics in third-person games that bug me. Okay, nosedive off the building. Choke, choke. On the smoke, smoke.
Catch!
You have been subdued. You have been subdued. Notice the whoosh, like a little flick of the wrist there. Did you see that? And looks like I can jump off things and smash things now.
Not bad, huh? Look out below!
Tim Allen would be proud because I just got more power.
Reggie, I've used up all the core relays you sent, man. Come on, I need more!
No, man, that's all you get. This bioterrorist thing has you all worked up. You need to find some place to lay low and chill out for a while.
What is it with you and laying low? I'm fine. I'm great. Give me more.
No. Now, I'm working on a possible lead with a detective on the SPD, but we're not moving forward until I'm convinced
Hey,
your
guys.
head's on straight.
Okay, I'll lay low. Whatever the hell that means.
Mission complete. Karma is doing good. Oh, hey. Oh. Well, that was weird. Like just right in the middle of a thing? Alright. Vive la Resistance!
Okay, Delson, I've got some information on the DUP's communications network. Now, there's a central antenna so they can coordinate the movements of all the smaller districts.
Alright, any idea where this central communication thing is?
Well, you did say you wanted to see it while you were here.
Shut up. Space Needle?
Space Needle.
Ow! Stop shooting around civilians. You're the worst police force I've ever seen.
Relax.
That's not true. LA's probably worse. Take a load off.